Ready to unlock the power of two-way communication with your applications? First, you'll need a Twilio account and a Twilio phone number. If you don't have these, head to Twilio.com and sign up. Once you are logged in, navigate to your Twilio phone numbers and select the number you want to use for receiving messages. Now, under the messaging section, you will see a message comes in. Paste the URL of your server or application endpoint that can handle incoming HTTP requests. When someone sends a text message to your Twilio number, Twilio will send an HTTP post request to this URL containing details about the message. Within your application, extract the message parameters, like the sender's phone number and the message body, from the HTTP request that Twilio sends. Finally, use the Twilio API to respond to the incoming message or trigger any other action within your application based on the content of the message. And that's it. You are now equipped to receive text messages and integrate them into your application, enabling powerful and interactive communication.